10 Kuki MLAs from Manipur, including 8 from the BJP, on yesterday submitted a memorandum to Prime Minister Narendra Modi asking that posts equivalent to Chief Secretary and DGP to set up for 5 hill districts of the state. While Meiteis make up the majority in the plans, including capital Imphal, the hills are dominated by Kuki Jomis. Rationalizing the request, the MLA said it is necessary for the efficient administration of areas inhabited by their community. They emphasized that the divide as a result of the ongoing ethnic conflict means that these areas are completely cut off from the capital Imphal. The 5 districts for which they raised their demand are Churachandpur, Kangpokpi, Chandel, Tengnopal, and Fairjol. In their memorandum, they stated that Imphal has become a valley of death and destruction for Kuki-Jo people. Even the IAS and MCS officers and IPS and MPS officers belonging to the Kuki-Jo tribes have been unable to function and discharge their duties, as Imphal Valley has also become a valley of death for us, their memorandum states. They went on to ask that posts of DGP and Chief Secretary of equivalent to be created for these areas for administration faced by government employees belonging to the Kuki-Jo tribals.